So begin by lying on your back. As you first lie down, notice if your chin is pushed up or your neck feels tense. If so, place a folded blanket or cushion under your head. With your knees bent, place your feet on the floor, resting your arms by your sides. Now close your eyes. The first exercise in breath work is to become conscious of simple, relaxed breathing. Move your hands to your lower ribs so they're half on your ribs and half on your upper abdomen. Notice how placing the hands here allows you to feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath, in and out, in and out. Give yourself a couple of minutes to relax and settle into your normal breathing rhythm. Turning your attention to the rhythm of your breath takes you away from whatever else is going on in your day, internalizing your mind and drawing attention to the soothing nature of the breath. Notice how with each breath out, the upper belly and ribs relax away from the hands, and how the effortless breath in expands the ribs and belly into the hands. This is not forced. You are simply witnessing the natural flow of breath in and out. Exhaling, the belly and ribs relax. Inhaling, they expand. No effort, just witness. As you practice simple, relaxed breathing, you may find that ever so often your body will spontaneously take a deep breath in or release a deep breath out or sigh. This is simply your body adjusting to a more restful, stress-free environment. You may also find that as you continue to focus on the steady flow of breath, your body wants to adjust its position. A clue that your breathing is deeply influential to movement. As your breath relaxes, tension begins to melt from your muscles. Your lower back may feel like lengthening a bit, urging you to slightly move your hips toward your feet, or your shoulders or neck may want to adjust. These are all ways your body is asking you to relax and be soothed by simple breathing. Each gentle, effortless breath out, the upper abdomen and ribs relax away from the hands. Each effortless breath in, the ribs and upper belly expand outward and upward gently into the hands. Now take your hands from your ribs, resting them once again on the floor by your sides. Can you still feel the rise and fall of your ribs and belly as you breathe? With this heightened sensitivity, you can tune in to natural rhythm and flow, awareness that will keep you calm and focused throughout your yoga practice and throughout your day. And notice, having given yourself several minutes now to settle into natural, relaxed breathing, that the rate of your breathing has slowed, with a natural pause between the breath out and a new breath in. Your whole body is deeply relaxed. Now on your next breath in, simply draw your knees to your chest and exhale. For complete yoga rest, you'll need a blanket or a firm cushion. You may also enjoy spreading out a blanket under you for greater comfort and using an eye bag. Letting your legs and arms relax and sliding the blanket or cushion under your head. Close your eyes, using an eye bag if you wish. If your lower back is uncomfortable, either bend your knees and place your feet flat, or put a rolled up blanket or cushion behind your knees. Once you're comfortable, settle into a deep rest by closing your eyes and tuning into your breathing. Feel the gentle expansion in your lower ribs and belly with each breath in, and their release with each breath out. This soothing rhythm is relaxing, helping you to move through your body part by part for a deeper, more complete rest. Bring your attention down to your left toes. Imagine them expanding and relaxing, in tune with the rhythm of your own breathing. Each breath out, they relax. Each breath in, they expand. This is very subtle, but deeply relaxing. Now move your attention to the left foot. Expand the foot, breathing in. Release, breathing out. A deep massage from the inside out. With each breath out, allow your left foot to relax into the floor. Take your attention to your left ankle. The ankle expands as you breathe in and releases to the earth as you breathe out. Now your left leg, the same process. Imagine your lower leg as a lung, expanding on the breath in, relaxing on the breath out. Remember, this is subtle. Tension robs us of sensitivity, so be patient with this process, gradually restoring deep feeling, soothing expansion, soothing release. Move your attention to your pelvis. Feel the tidal rhythm of your breath in your belly, deeply letting go of any tension you feel in your abdomen. Now bring your mind to your right foot, starting at the toes. Each toe expanding on the breath in, releasing on the breath out. Let all tension be massaged away by the breath and your intention. Now the whole foot, expanding, releasing. Let your body begin to feel more liquid, more fluid, more relaxed. Now the ankle. As your muscles relax, your ankle can feel it's expanding. Tension makes us shrink. Relaxation frees us to expand and become more adaptable. Attention to the right leg now. If your mind wanders, and it will. Simply draw it back to complete yoga rest. This is every bit as much a mental exercise as a physical release. This is meditation. As your body adapts, you may want to adjust your position. If you feel like lengthening your lower back or adjusting your arms and legs, by all means do so. Follow the guidance you're receiving from your own body. Bring your attention to your right pelvis, and again call upon the accessible rhythm of breathing in your belly. Inhalation, the belly expands effortlessly. Exhalation, the belly relaxes. As you become fully centered in the belly again, begin to work your way up your backbone, a few vertebrae at a time, starting with the sacrum and tailbone, that part of your spine just below the waist. Feel your breath in the back belly expanding and releasing. This is an area where we can hold enormous stress. Just let it go. Now bring your attention to the small of your back, another tight spot. Notice the particular power of your out-breath to release tension. In fact, you can use the out-breath to help you gently press the lower back to the floor for a little extra undoing. Next, your back ribs. Imagine their gills, breathing them open as you inhale, releasing them closed as you exhale. Very fluid, very easy. Let the lower ribs grow heavy. Now release behind your heart, opening a window of space behind the heart. Take your attention to your left shoulder, another place of enormous tension for most of us. Allow the rhythm of your breath to soften the shoulder. Your out-breath dropping the left shoulder as though someone is gently pressing it toward the mat. Now take your attention to your right shoulder. Soften it. Free it with your breath. Move your attention down to your left hand. As with the toes, your fingers breathe. Your whole hand breathes. You may feel this rhythm in your hands more easily than you felt it in your feet, because your hands are usually more sensitive. This can reassure you that you do in fact have subtle skills. Focus on your left arm. Breathe it open on the breath in. Release it to earth on the breath out. Undo tension at the elbow and the upper arm. You may feel now like adjusting your left shoulder, spreading it a bit wider to accommodate your newfound ease as you shift your attention to your right hand. A couple of breaths, breathing space into your fingers, letting the whole hand breathe. Can you feel the pulse of your breath in your hand? Now the lower arm, elbow. Unravel tension from the upper arm, expanding on the breath in, release on the breath out. Making any adjustments to your shoulder that feel comfortable. Now center your attention at the base of your neck. The interior of your throat expands as you breathe in. The base of your neck relaxes as you breathe out. As the muscles along your neck release, lengthen the neck slightly. Bring attention to your face, letting all expression melt. Your face will broaden, especially between the eyes. Allow your eyes themselves to drop back toward the back skull. Now, without opening your eyes, slowly begin returning your attention to the space around you. As your attention resurfaces, tension, the habit of tension, may begin to shrink your body again. What's important is that you've noticed this. And once you grow conscious of this pattern, you can begin to let it go here and anytime. Now slowly bend your knees and just as slowly roll to your right side, resting your head on your arm. Sit in a comfortable position. Join your palms at your chest in prayer position.